When talking about lucky plants, lucky bamboo comes first. So this is a beautiful plant which you can grow from stems. Put them in water to propagate or else directly in soil, and you can make free plants very easily with a short period of time. This is a beautiful variegated plant which will bring good luck to your home, especially wealth and abundance. So this is one plant that is recommended in Feng Shui as a lucky plant which brings prosperity and abundance. ZZ plant. ZZ plant is a gem of a plant when talking about wealth and prosperity plants. So this is one of the plants that Feng Shui recommended as prosperity bringing and attract luck to attract wealth and abundance in your home. So have this one plant in your garden also as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant. Keep this in the shade. This plant you can propagate with a single leaf. So this is one of the lucky plants for your home which brings prosperity and abundance. Umbrella plant, another beautiful variegated leafy plant which brings good luck, prosperity and abundance to your home. So this plant you can grow with a single stem and also you can propagate in water. This plant prefers the shady sunlight and you can keep it indoors as well. So have this plant also in your plants collection as a good luck plant. Rubber plant. This is another beautiful variety of plants that you can easily grow and also low maintenance and permanent. This is another plant which attracts wealth and abundance to your home. So have this plant also in your indoor plants collection or else in your home garden as a beautiful decorative plant too. And this is known in Feng Shui as a money attracting plant. Peace lily. Peace lily also known as one of the wealth and abundance attracting plants. This is very easy to grow. These plants you can multiply by dividing them from the bulbs, and they also produce white flowers. They are so beautiful, one of the best indoor plants and also one of the permanent plants. You can have this money and wealth attracting plant in your garden. This is known as a very good air purifier too. Jade plant, one of the happy plants that brings good vibes to your home, known as the happy plant or the money plant or the dollar tree. And also this plant is one of the plants that you can grow without any problem, without fertilizer and also low maintenance. Once you have one plant, you can have many out of it because this plant is very easy to grow. This is one of the low maintenance plants too. So have this beautiful wealth attracting plant in your home plants collection. This plant prefers a lot of sunlight, so make sure to keep it in an area where it gets a lot of sunlight in the morning. You can grow it without trouble, but do not overwater this plant. Keep on pinching this plant so that it will be very bushy and healthy. If you have kept this plant outdoors, make sure that you keep it in a place where it gets plenty of sunlight, and during the rainy season you have to shift it in an area where it doesn't get soaked in the rainy water because this plant doesn't like much water. So take care of this plant during the rainy season. Move it to an area where it will not get drenched too much. So rainy water will definitely make this plant roots damage, so keep it away from the rain too much. Rainy water is really very beneficial for the plants, but make sure that your jade plants are not getting too much of rainy water. Next beautiful plant that brings money and prosperity to your home is this money plant, or known as money pothos. This is one of the famous and favorite plants of any gardener and very easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent. Grow this plant with a single stem and you will have many plants in your garden with a short period of time. Such a beautiful plant, and it comes in many varieties too. So this is the best plant for your garden to attract money and prosperity. Aloe vera, known as one of the medicinal plants and also one of the plants that has been used for many hair and face. One of the plants that have many multiple benefits for hair and skin care. So this one plant is also known in Feng Shui as a money and wealth attracting plant. So have this beautiful plant in your home garden as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant. Very easy to grow, one of the cactus, of the low maintenance plants and also one of the succulent plants. So have this one plant in your garden which is very beneficial for you. Variegated triangular ficus. This is another beautiful good luck plant which you can add in your indoor plants collection as a good luck plant, because this brings absolute luck, good luck and abundance and also prosperity. So add this plant also in your indoor plants collection for you to decorate entrance or your living room, especially your main door. So these are the plants that will attract good luck and prosperity.